Hook, what if I told you people are building Memecoin sniper bots that run 24/7 and some claim they're pulling in up to $2,000 a month without writing a single line of code? In this video, we are diving into how no-code automation tools are changing the game. Forget complex programming and endless tutorials. Today, drag-and-drop platforms, trading dashboards, and automation workflows can connect everything for you in minutes. But here's the twist. Memecoin sniping is fast, risky, and brutally competitive. One wrong setup and your profits can vanish faster than a meme trend. I'll show you the basic workflow, tools people use, common mistakes beginners make, and whether this strategy is opportunity or pure hype. Watch until the end, because the biggest mistake almost everyone makes could cost more than the bot itself. What if you could build a Memecoin sniper system aiming for $2,000 a month with zero coding? Step 1, create a crypto wallet and fund it with only what you can afford to risk. Never start big. Step 2, connect a no-code trading bot platform that watches newly launched tokens automatically. Step 3, set filters liquidity, volume, wallet activity, and scam checks. This helps avoid obvious traps. Step 4, use automation rules if token meets criteria to buy, if profit hits target to sell. Step 5, turn on alerts so your phone tracks every move 24/7. Sounds easy, right? Here's the twist. Memecoin markets move insanely fast. Bots compete with bots, and one bad setting can wipe out gains instantly. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.